Oh, okay. Ready?
Ready? Okay. We're gonna do it both sides 30 times, and you can do it 5, 5, and 5 until you get 30. You're gonna put the band just a little bit above the knees. You don't want it too high, but maybe like 2 inches above the kneecap. And then you're gonna have your feet a little bit wider than shoulder width apart, and you're gonna squat back. Now I don't want you like this. You don't want the knee in front of the toe. So make sure the knee is behind the front of the toe, and you're gonna squat down, and you're gonna stabilize with the lead leg. So you're gonna do, you can put your arms out, whatever's comfortable. And on this back leg, I want you to go slow. So as you come over, you're really stabilizing with your self movement. Good. So we're gonna go back and forth 30 times. The next one, you're gonna have your ankles together, heels in line with the hip, head nice and neutral. And you're gonna make sure the hip is pointed up, and you're just gonna hold. And you should feel it in the back, not in the front. Right? You might be turning, twisting if you feel it wrong. So you're just gonna pick it up and hold. You should feel it in the back of the hip. And when you do it, you're gonna flip over to the other side. Here, back, and then hold. You're gonna hold this for like 30 seconds.
Okay.
Sounds good? All right.